Okay, so this is what? This is Amazon. This is Amazon.
Amazon application.
Yeah, Amazon application, right? This is Amazon, right? Amazon application. Fine. Okay, so in this normally what we are doing now at the time of right search, if we want to search the product, right? If we want to, then the search module will be there, right? Search module will be there,
Search
right?
module.
If you
Yes,
are
Ravi.
using, if you are using the
Yes,
like,
yes.
if you want to become the user of what Amazon, then you have need to register, right? Register, then you can get the username password to access, right? All those services, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Register or what? Login, right?
Login.
Register or login module, right? After then what? Cart module, right? Cart module means what? Added, where we are adding our what? Our product. Cart.
We want
After,
all the products added to in our cart.
yes. After then what? Payment, right? Payment module will be there, right? Payment module will be there, where
Yes,
we are
yes.
paying, the, like, if we want to purchase that product, then we have need to pay the money also now for that product cost.
Yes, yes,
Yes,
yes.
Ravi.
Okay, after that what? After booking that what item, what is that? Track module will be there, right? Then we can track it now.
Yeah,
Right.
yes, yes.
Yes, Ravi.
Feedback, right? After then what? Just feedback module is there, right? Feedback module is there. After then what? Just a
Return.
returns module, dot so
And
many,
replacement.
so many modules is there. Then this application is becoming one application, then this project is becoming one application now. Project.
Yes, Ravi.
Yeah.
Yes.
So normally guys, so just normally, right? Normally whenever at the development time, just think about that. If we are developing, right, search module, or let's take register module, right? Register module, right? Register module, what? We are following layered design pattern or not, guys? Come on.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Okay,
Layered.
yeah, layered. So normally our what is that? How our layer representation is there now, guys? Data access layer. After that, what? Service layer in one module. I'm talking about one module, guys. I'm talking about just register. Just think about register or login module. I'm
Okay.
going to develop it, right? So data access layer, right?
Yeah.
Data access layer is there. Then service layer is there. Then what? Then service.
Control layer.
Then what? Presentation layer, right?
That one.
Then presentation layer is
That
nothing but what? Nothing but what? Controller itself only, guys. Okay, fine.
control layer.
Okay, so at the time of just think about that. This is the our search module, right? Our register module. Just this is the register module.
Okay.
This is just I'm taking what? One module, a search module only, right?
Search module.
Right? This is the search module. Fine now, guys. Okay, good. So
Search
normally
module.
same like every module. If we are developing like card module, then same design pattern only we are following now. Come on, same design pattern only we are following or not, guys?
Yes, yes, yes.
So okay, so we can say
Yeah, same design pattern.
Yes,
then,
Ravi.
yeah, but here what happened now? This what is that? Search module is one dependent module, right? Search module is one dependent module, and the register module is one dependent module. Cart module is one dependent module. Payment module is one dependent module. Track module is what? One dependent module. Feedback is what? One dependent module. And return is one dependent module, right? Come on, give the response,
Okay,
Yes,
Ravi.
guys.
yes, yes.
Okay, so every module
Yes, Ravi.
we are following this design pattern only na. So
Modification.
come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So
Yeah,
Yes,
same,
Ravi.
same.
yeah, but what is that? In the application, right? In the application, after ending that application, what we are doing now? We are integrated all module in a one application, one application, come on.
Application.
Application, that application name we given what? Amazon, come on.
Mono.
Give the
Amazon.
result.
Amazon.
Yes, sir. Amazon.
Yes, sir.
Amazon, right? So we can say that the combination of, right? So we can say that if we are combining all module together, right? Together, then that application is, then we can say that this is the application or not, guys. Then we can say this is the application.
Monolithic.
Arey man, who is the too much becoming intelligent? What is your name? Praveen? Give me that authority,
yes,
right?
yes.
Give me that authority, right? If you know that little bit, don't think about that, right? That people is there in the session who don't know.
Okay, Ravi.
Okay. So, right. So here, what is
Sorry
that?
for
All different module, right? All different module combining in the single project. That is nothing but what? Monolith. And we can say that application is nothing but what? Monolithic application now, guys, right?
Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so normally, guys, okay, so normally here, what is that? Monolithic theory is what we can say that a single application that contains of collection of what? Collection of services together, right? Together, right? Together, just here itself only, guys. Just Amazon, our Amazon application is there. It's having multiple services is nothing but guys, module we can say in the terminology of what? Technical terminology. What is that? This is the one service, this is the payment service, this is the feedback service, this is the feedback services. Means what? Multiple services are there or not, guys, in the single application? Come on, in the single project. In the single project, a single application, multiple different services are there or not? Come on.
Yes, Ravi.
So then this is combining multiple services together in a single page. Is a single page is nothing but what? Either single page or single application is nothing but what? Monolithic application. That application is called what? Monolithic application. Correct, guys?
Monolithic. Yes, Ravi.
Yes, Ravi.
Okay, so similar, or we can say that, right? Or we can say normally also. Normally, what is this? Which symbol? This one is like, yeah, a project, right? This is the project, Amazon project only. Now we can say that if no one is understanding about that what terminology of application, just think about that project itself only. Project that content, right? That has all module, right? All module together.